In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Parsec error codes 623 and 624. So let's get started. If you're having some issues with Parsec app here, well, there are going to be a few things that you need to do. First things first is you want to close the actual app. So you can go and click on the X button itself right here, and you want to press Ctrl-Shift-Escape on your keyboard, and you want to look for any services that may be running for Parsec. So in this case, just scroll down a bit here, look for any services or app that is running for Parsec. Now, if you see one, go ahead and right-click on it, and you want to go and click on End Task. Now, you want to do the same thing for the other one here. As you can see right now, let's go and click on right-click, click on End Task again, do this other one, and click on End Task, and you're now good. Now, once we've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to access your firewall. So, go to your search here, just type in firewall, and you want to go and choose the option that says Allow an app through Windows Firewall. Let's go and click on it. Now, from here, what we need to do is you want to go and click on the change settings at the top right here, and you want to look for Parsec. Now, in this case, you may need to scroll down a bit here until you see Parsec, but if you do see it, you want to make sure that it is, or the option for Firebit and public connection is actually allowed here. And once you've done that or allowed that as well, you go and just click on the add option here, or in this case, you go and click on allow another app here if you don't see Parsec. So if you don't see it, click on allow another app. Click on browse here and look for the X file for Parsec. So once you've added this into your firewall, you can go and click on OK to apply your changes. And from then on, see if it actually helps you. Now, if none of this actually work, the last thing that you could try doing here is maybe using a VPN. Sometimes using a VPN can actually help a lot. So this actually depends on what type of app that you want to use for a VPN. But typically speaking, once you use it, see if it actually helps. But yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.